will we do with a drunken sailor? What will we do with a drunken...
So my Boston whaler is back together and right-sided. Well, not fully right back together. If you take a look here, you can see I have not glassed the inside of it. So I get it on my trailer to get it out of the garage. My wife is stoked, of course, no more dust. All the dust is outside as I'm scarfing the edges on the interior of the hull. Here it is, fully scarfed, getting ready to fiberglass it. There is a ton of lichen and dirt, and I also found a bit of a delamination here. So I'm going to have to repair that. There was a hole, interestingly, in the bottom of the anchor locker. Got to fix that. But here it is, glassed up. There's another shot of it glassed up and power washed. Looks much better. Getting some fairing done on it so it looks better. And I'm building a front seat. I am not going to have a rear seat on this. I found a nice cleat that I can put up in the bow because I really wanted to have a cleat. And this is what it looks like. A little bit of dirt after I mowed the lawn, but otherwise, it's ready to go in the water. That is the next step.